All right, we've been discussing integers and rational numbers and then even irrational numbers. The most famous irrational number is pi. So here's the pi song. Pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter. 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 Circumference divided by diameter. Oh, circumference divided by diameter. Pi is a ratio of circumference to 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 diameter. Circumference divided by diameter. Oh, circumference divided by diameter is 3.1415926535897238462643383279 so on 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 so on. Oh, circumference divided by diameter. Circumference divided by diameter is pi. All right, that's the pi song. So, in that song, I hope you learned that pi is a ratio of circumference to diameter. Circumference is the distance around a circle, whereas the diameter is the distance from a point on the circle through the center to another point on the circle. Turns out that circumference is always longer than the diameter in any circle, a medium circle, or a little circle, or a bigger circle. The circumference is always longer than the diameter, and it's always about 3.14 times as long. So pi is about equal to 3.14. Now, if you took the circumference, which is the longer distance, and divided it by the diameter, that would give you pi. So again, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities through division. So circumference divided by diameter will always equal about 3.14. So if you did this circumference divided by this diameter, it equals 3.14. If you did this circumference divided by this diameter, it equals 3.14. If you did this circumference divided by this diameter, it's 3.14. So the circumference is always about 3.14 times as long as the diameter. But if you want to get really precise, it's not exactly 3.14 times as long. It's this number 3.14159265358, and it goes on forever and ever and ever. It never terminates, it never repeats. That's what makes it an irrational number. So an irrational number is a decimal number that never ends and it never repeats, like pi. So there you go, that's the pi song. A little bit about what pi is. Pi is a ratio. We've done ratios. This is one of the most famous ratios there is. Ratio of circumference to diameter. That's what pi is equal to, and it's approximately 3.14. Awesome. All right, we'll see you next time.